رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are watching Sami Al Quran online classes. Inshallah, in this class we will start Noorani Qaida lesson number 3, which name is muqatta'at letters. So if you didn't watch our previous lessons, so please first to watch our previous lessons and then come on this lesson. If you want to read Quran online at home with live classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran tutors, visit now samialquran.com and register for 3 days free trial classes. So we will start now. Muqatta'at letters are found at the start of some surahs, chapters of the Holy Quran. So before starting this lesson, I teach you the 3 basic things in this lesson. When you understand these 3 basic things, so after that you will easily read this full lesson properly. First thing is this sign. This sign name is madde muttasil. The long mad is 5 seconds in length and looks like in this shape. This sign name is madde muttasil. So any letter has this sign, so we stretch the letter 5 seconds. So this is the first thing. Look here, for example, here is alif and after the alif is lam, which has the madde muttasil sign. So we stretch here the lam sound. So we read lam. And the second thing is this small W shaped sign, which name is shad. And also we call for this sign tashdeed. So any letter has the shad sign, we call it mushaddad letter. So the meaning of shad is any letter has the shad sign, so that letter we connect with the previous letter. Like there, mim has shad sign, so the mim we connect with the lam because the mim before coming lam. And also anywhere you see in the Quran mim and noon has the shad sign on it, so that time we read mim and noon with the nasalization sound, like we make sound from nose 1 alif time, like we read lam. So the sound coming from nose we call it gunna sound. I hope you understand these 2 things, like one is mad and one is shad. So the third thing is standing fatha. This sign name is standing fatha, as any letter has the standing fatha sign on it, so that letter we read 1 alif time longer, like ra. So I will read first and you should repeat after me. Alif, the first letter is alif, as you say normal alif, like alif, and after the alif is lam, which has mud sign, so we read long here, like alif lam, and after the lam coming here mim, and there mim has the shad sign, so we learned before any mim and noon has the shad sign, so we make here gunna sound, like we make sound from nose for 1 alif time. So here after the lam is mim and it has shad sign on it, so that's why we read from nose, like lam, and here you make sound from nose, alif lam. And also meme has the mud sign on it, so we read longer here. Meme 5 seconds. So we read Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim. Please repeat after me. Alif Lam Mim. Next. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Next. In this word, the first one is alif. You say normal alif like alif, and after the alif is lam, which has the mud sign. We long here 5 seconds, and after the lam is ra. So we learned that before any letter has standing fatha. So this sign name is standing fatha. So any letter has standing fatha, we read one alif time longer. So repeat after me. Alif Lam Ra. Again. Alif Lam Ra. Next. Alif Lam Mim Ra. And here Ra has standing fatha, so we read one alif time. Again. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Next. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Taha Taha Tasim Mim. And here after the sin is meme, so we don't make here the sin meme, we don't make here sin sound. So look here in the small letters. So after the sin coming meme, so here we don't have the known sound. Okay, so read carefully there. Same meme, the sin joined with the meme, so we make here the same like same this sound. So read carefully. Tasim Mim. Tasim Mim. Next. Tasim Yasin, Sad, Hamim, 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 Ain, Sin, Qaf. Once again. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. Qaf, Noon. So here we complete our lesson number 3. I hope you understand lesson number 3. So just practice again and again. Inshallah, you will read this lesson properly. If you have any kind of question in this lesson, so please leave your message in comment section. Inshallah, I will give you reply soon. So we will meet on the next class. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.